In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record total daily sales in QuickBooks Online. If you want a simple way to enter your daily sales totals without recording every single individual transaction, this method can help you keep your books organized and up to date. We'll be using a sales receipt and creating a customer specifically for these entries, so everything stays easy to track later. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the Create button, which is marked with the plus icon. This is where you can quickly begin entering different types of transactions. From the menu that appears, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is useful here because it lets you record sales that have already been paid, which makes it a practical option for total daily sales entries. Once the sales receipt opens, move to the Customer section, click into that field, and then select Add New. Since this entry is going to represent your combined sales for the day, we'll create a customer specifically for that purpose. In the Customer Name field, enter Daily Sales, then fill in the details needed on the customer form and save it. Keeping this customer dedicated to daily totals makes it much easier to identify these transactions in your reports and customer history. After the new customer has been created and selected on the sales receipt, you can begin entering the products and services for that day. This is where you'll record the total amounts for your sales. Make sure the amounts reflect the full daily totals you want to capture. If you use different product or service categories, enter each one carefully so your reporting remains accurate. Taking a moment here to double-check the totals can help prevent mistakes and save time later when reviewing your books. When everything has been entered correctly, click Record. This saves the sales receipt and posts the daily sales into QuickBooks Online. And that's it! You've successfully recorded your total daily sales using a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that can make daily bookkeeping much more efficient, especially if you prefer to summarize sales instead of entering every transaction one by one. If you follow this method consistently, your records will stay cleaner and easier to manage over time.